You too, what's good? It's your boy Small Pound back with another video on your top. Right now I'm checking out another Skitzo YAK Films production. This is him still in Shanghai, or maybe Shanghai in another time. But this one is called We Are One, so we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into the video. Last one was epic. Epic. It's crazy that they found this shot, man. Like, cause it's just back alley behind some random building, little awning, probably bicycle, moped parking or something. Look at this musicality. Come on. Whoa, what? Sometimes when I'm watching, I swear he's teleporting. Or it's just a snap. Look at the head snap, right? Like when he gets into position, it's not like he just goes into the position. He snaps into it to like affirm his position before he jumps into the next move, and it's powerful. Right here when he stands up fully, right there. Going along with the beat, the 808 kick. He grabbed his fist and it sounded like something was crunching. There's no wasted move. Oh! There's no wasted movement. What is this? Fire. Only because that looked like and sounded like a net break. Come on, Skids. Skitzo is dangerous, man. Dangerous. Yeah, back. You knew it was coming back. The anticipation buildup. Teleporting again. He's teleporting again. What? Puts his head in, twisted right here. Ah! What is he? Should've put him in Men in Black too. It's TOO. Hey, let me tell you, man, these videos right here have been powerful. Skits, that's crazy. Skits is definitely top 5% of all dancers in the world. To me, don't care what you think. It's not your opinion. It's mine. With that being said, we're going to keep reacting. It's your boy Small Pound coming at you every single day with new reactions. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to live your passion. Peace.